Okay, for part 2 of this series of 3 videos that'll show 30 places altogether on the Ocoee River to get married or an elopement. This is going to be part 2. So you'll need to check out part 1 or part 3 if you haven't done so yet, or after this one, part 3. And altogether, there'll be 30. So I'm not going to go back and explain what one needs to do to secure their marriage license. That can be done in Benton, Tennessee. There's information about that in the first video. So come along with me and let's see 10 more places to get married at on the Ocoee River region.